The leaf. The parts of a leaf. The leaf blade is called the lamina and it has the pigment called chlorophyll, which is necessary for photosynthesis. The central part of the lamina has the biggest vein called the midrib. From it emerge veins on the side and then veinlets. The margin of the leaf or the border is called the margin, while the tip of the leaf is called the apex. The petiole is the stalk, the cylindrical stalk that attaches the lamina to the main stem. It attaches at a point called the node. Even branches arise from the node. The angle between the petiole and the main stem is called the axil, and here you have axillary buds emerging. Supposing a leaf does not have a petiole, it is called a sessile leaf or an epetiolate leaf. Types of leaves. You have simple leaves and compound leaves. Simple leaves have a single leaf blade. Axillary buds will be found in the axil. Example, mango, guava, hibiscus, peepal. A compound leaf, the leaf blade is divided into several leaflets and there are no axillary buds. Examples are acacia and gulmohar. Types of leaf venation. What is venation? It is the distribution of the veins and veinlets on the surface of the lamina. It is reticulate or parallel. Reticulate means a network, so it's distributed in the form of a net-like pattern. But parallel is just parallel to the midrib. Parallel to each other and arranged perpendicular to the midrib or parallel right from the start. Example, banana, wheat and grass. Reticulate venation is seen in mango, guava and peepal. The arrangements of leaves on the stem is called phyllotaxy. Alternate arrangement is when only one leaf will arise from one node and they will be arranged spirally on the stem. Example, sunflower, mango and China rose. Opposite is when there are two leaves arising from the same node opposite to each other. Example, calotropis, basil, guava and jasmine. Whorled arrangement is when there are many leaves arising from the same node. Example, nerium and alstonia. Modification of leaves. A leaf tendril is a thin and twined portion of a leaf that twines around an object for support, example in a pea plant. Leaf spines are seen in desert plants like opuntia and Mexican poppy, and it reduces water loss through transpiration and it protects the plant from wild animals. Scale leaves, these protect the bud and also store food like in the onion. Modification of leaves in insectivorous plants. Pitcher plant, the leaf itself is a trapping device. It looks like a pitcher and has a lid made from the leaf apex and it closes soon after the insect enters. The insect then gets digested by the juices from the leaf. The bladderwort has segmented leaves with bladder-like structures which act as a trapdoor entrance, not permitting the insect to go out. The Venus flytrap, the edges of the leaves have long pointed hair and the midrib is the hinge and it closes the door when insect enters. Vegetative propagation is by budding in plants like Bryophyllum and Begonia. There are buds that arise on the margin of the leaf and these fall and become the new plant.